Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Laurina. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this hairstyle. I don't know what it's called. I never know what it's called. But by the title, you can already tell what it's called. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know your thoughts on how I achieved this hairstyle down in the comment section below. Let me know what you like. Let me know what you would do differently. And yeah, let's get into it. We're just going to be jumping right into it today. So in order for me to lock the moisture in my hair, I used some black castor oil. So this is not the only thing that I put in my hair. I'd put in butters and all that. So I just basically did the lock method just to make sure my hair is moisturized underneath this protective style. You especially want to do this if you're going to be putting gel in your hair, because gel can be a bit drying on your hair and you do not want to cause breakage by your hair being too dry. With regards to the parting for this hairstyle, I honestly had another hairstyle in mind, and then it just didn't work out. I was gonna show the footage of it in this video, but I just didn't want this video to be long and cumbersome for no reason. So I decided to go with a triangle shape in the middle of my head. As you can see, it's not really even, but like, I'm also defeated. Like, that is me looking at the heavens like, yo, what you want me to do? Because I'm failing at this life thing, okay? Hashtag 2020. Yeah, and then after you do the triangle in the middle of your head, then you I ideally like to put Isoplus holding gel on the edges or on the sides of the hair so that I don't get any flyaways that interrupt, you know, the business that I'm doing in the middle. And then I just part my hair there in the middle, as you can see, and started twisting it. You can do three strand braids if you so wish, but this middle parting was for people who cannot braid. If you want a braiding video, please let me know down in the comment section below. I've been avoiding by all costs doing a braiding video because it's so complicated to film and explain, but if you do want that, let me know. So I took the first twist out that I did and put it into the middle of the second twist out, and then secured it with a rubber band. If you don't want your rubber band to cause any breakage to your hair, you can add olive oil to it, just so it's not pulling on your hair or tugging on your hair when you're taking it out. And then of course you do the second twist, and then you take the first and second twists into your third twist, and then you secure it with a rubber band. And yeah, do that as many times as you need to in order for you to get the desired look. Please make your lines straighter than mine. I tried. I really did. Okay, so for this part, this is very optional. Once again, like I said, if you don't know how to braid your own hair or cornrow your own hair, then you'll obviously skip this part and just have the triangle in the middle be the main focus or the centerpiece of your hair. But I obviously wanted to have two braids on the side of the triangle in the middle, and I did actually find that having the two braids beside the triangle helps distort the fact that the triangle is not an actual triangle. It's not like the most accurate representation for a triangle. See, if you have now two braids on the side, it doesn't look so bad. It doesn't look so skew. So if you do find you have run into the skew problem, then just add two braids on the side. No one will notice. And then I added some Ecostyler Gel to the rest of my hair. If you guys want a detailed video on how to sleek down thick 4C hair, then let me know, because girl, it is a mission. This part here, this sleeking down the rest of my hair, actually takes the most amount of time to do when I do any gelled down looks. So just let me know and I'll gladly do that for you. And then I just braided the top of my own hair. You want to do this just so that the pony you put on looks extra sleek and doesn't look bulky or weird. I finally learned how to gel down, or how to edge down my edges. girl, I don't know what the term is, okay? You know me in terms, okay? But if you want a video on how to properly sleek down your edges, yes, that's the word. See, sometimes you just need to keep going. If you want a video on how to sleek down your edges, let me know, girl, because I have found the formula, okay? I've got it. Like, look at that. No, can't tell me nothing. And then I went in with my curl coons. If you've watched my previous video on how to curl caniculon hair, then you'll know where I have these leftovers from. If you have not watched that video, I'll leave a link to that video at the end of this video. But I basically just curled some straight caniculon hair and made these little curl coons. I used them for a different hairstyle, but yeah, these are just leftovers from a previous hairstyle that I did. In order to make the pony, I just used a scrunchie or a hairband, depending on your region, in order to secure that pony together. And then you just secure it to your hair and flip it over. And then you want to take an extra curl coon and secure that pony so that, girl, listen, the wind will not disrespect you. Don't let the wind or natural elements disrespect your hair. So always make sure that you secure that pony like you're securing the bag. How about that? Give me a like down below if we're securing our ponies the way we are securing our bags, okay? Yeah, that is the end look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry today's video is late, but I love you. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, let me know what you like about this hairstyle, what you would do differently if you were to recreate this. Not if, girl, just do it. Are you serious? These dogs, yo. These birds. What even is our mission if we bark at them? Then what? Let me know what you would change, what you would do differently, what you like about this hairstyle. Let me know what else you want to see on my channel. If you haven't already checked my Get Ready With Me Chit Chat Life Update video, I'll leave it at the end of this video. It is the previous video, so just like go to, you'll find it, trust me, it's there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Oh yeah, follow me on Instagram, because a whole lot of the stuff that happens in my life, and sometimes even hairstyles, appear on my Instagram like a month before they come onto YouTube. I know I'm terrible at editing for YouTube shit, guys, I won't lie, okay? So follow me on Instagram if you haven't followed me already. Thank you guys so much for watching. My voice is officially going. I'll see you in another video.